This clip looks at the CF-104 and Strike Hornet and how the progression went from the two aircraft, being the 101, 104, to the F-18 and hypothetically on to the Strike Hornet adaptation. So I've got a model of a two-seat and 172 104 single-seater to go with the Gate Guardians we see today, and we'll bring this presentation just to show how the 410 Bird and 418 Strike Hornet go together. With some clips of the introductory period, we can show how the cockpit went from round dials and pitched onto the F-18's monochrome graphs and what we're planning today, keeping the 763 in the show to post against where it is now with Chatham Bird down as a Wetaskiwin showpiece. But anyway, getting back, there's Mark 82 high drag and CRV-7 rockets, which the tracker actually flew as well. With the advent of the internet and streaming media, we can take the 104 and still pictures of events past, bring it into full motion video with some attempts for presentation to bring the users into the experience. So this allows us to get a wealth of links, and pretty much anything you want is out there. So I've taken in a few clips of the 104s you can get by doing a word search on YouTube, just to show what it looked like in flight and what it looked like in flight from the back seat. So this particular clip is from a castle tour that you can again find on YouTube, and it has a tour of the Solingen castle that we just saw earlier in that clip with the two F-18s. So we'll show a look at takeoff roll as a static and preparing to spool up. You get a look at the dials and what the eye picture would have been for the period. I will just fade ahead to after the takeoff roll and wheels in the well, what the takeoff look speed of the climb out would appear to be. So a little bit of a castle tour of the river below and scenic panorama of Germany. Another view of the wingman in station, and we'll zoom in for a look at the type of distances we'd have been looking at air to air. I just fade out with another 104 legacy shot and a transition to what might have been.